guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will be me basically showing you guys my weekday nighttime routine. As you know, I'm a working mom, so it's hard to keep my home nice and clean during the weekday. So I just wanted you guys to see how is it that I keep it nice and clean and tidy. So let's jump into this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Liking this video get my channel and as well as my video out there to the world. So don't forget to subscribe. So guys, usually the kids, when they're home during the weekday, they throw their bags and stuff all over the place. So I have to go in and pick up everything and put it in the room. Sometimes they even have, cups and chips and all that stuff, snacking stuff all over the place. So I have to put it away. Here you can see I'm putting the in the cupboard. I'm doing the dishes a little bit, just cleaning up the kitchen. I don't like the kitchen to be a mess at night, because then in the morning I'm spending doing the dishes and stuff. So I try to get it done at night, to have more time in the morning to get ready for work and get the kids out the door for school. So here I'm rinsing off the dishes a little bit and putting things away, cleaning up the sink, wiping off the counter, getting rid of all these little items that are on the countertop. Sometimes the kids use the microwave and food gets splashed all over it, so I try to clean it up as much as I can. And also, I don't like fingerprints and stuff like that on the microwave handle and the oven. I just don't like fingerprint, just nasty sticky fingerprint marks all over the stainless steel. It's nasty. So I usually try to wipe the items down on the appliances every night, because I just don't like the look. It's a pet peeve of mine. So I'm all done cleaning. Time for me time, where I drink a little wine. I usually buy my wine from Walmart. It's the Oak Leaf brand. It's pretty good. It's cheap. I buy it for about $6. You get that big old bottle, and it lasts me for the week, which is good enough for me. I need a little sippity sip every night. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I just wanted to share my weeknight routine with you guys, and you guys could all share down in the comments below how you do your nighttime routine during the week with your family and stuff. So I hope you enjoy this video. So now I'm just relaxing. I'm watching a video with my little Rugrat. She's always wanted to watch a movie, and just enjoying the rest of the night. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.